unboxing gadget here, and this is Zhiyun Crane M2. Let's unboxing. Let's see the box. This is Zhiyun Crane M2. It's a stabilizer for compact camera, action camera, and smartphone. All-in-one ultimate versatility, compact design, great portability, 6 mode, infinite possibilities. Okay, let's see what inside. First, we have manual books, warranty card, and this is the case. We got the case of Zhiyun Crane M2. As you can see, we got USB cable Type C, phone holder, the strap, mini tripod, quick release plate, this one, and the stabilizer, Zhiyun Crane M2. Really small, compact, lightweight. Zhiyun Crane M2. Okay, that's it for unboxing Zhiyun Crane M2. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.